We're at the Hungry Horse Dam in Hungry Horse, Montana. There's the glory hole for the dam. It's pretty cool. Of course, we had to stop in some of the local shops and check out what they had in the way of gifts. We drove north on Highway 2, heading up towards the east entrance to Glacier National Park. The colors in the video do not really depict how colorful this area was. It was absolutely breathtaking to see this view. see you back getting some pictures.
Still making everything wet.
That's the Weeping Wall. I'm gonna show you our camp. This is North Fork Road Dispersed Camping. And you can see my little Airstream right there. And to the right is Don and Kevin's Grand Design Solitude. Bumpy road. And there's the Nomadic Ramblers. And there's Kim and Daryl from Some Days Here. All right. Kim and Daryl put that smoker to use today. Let's see it, Daryl. Crawfish pie. I don't think that was smoked.
No, that was not smoked.
And chicken smoked in a smoker. That looks wonderful.
They can stick that piece in. Oh, you don't like white meat. You like dark meat.
I like white meat.
Yeah. That's a wing.
That's really good. And here we have stuffing and gravy that Dawn fixed. This is a green bean casserole that I made. Sharon's making deviled eggs. So we're going to have a nice little feast tonight.
For our trip tomorrow.
Yeah, we're leaving tomorrow. Headed back to Dillon. And heading south after that. We've already been to Dillon, so there won't be much sightseeing, but I do need to change the oil in my generator. So get some chores done. But this has been a great spot. It's been very convenient for going into Glacier and exploring there. So I'll be kind of sorry to leave it. It's been a great stay. All right, guys. We'll let you know how dinner was. Right? All right, here's Bobby. He just brought the deviled eggs over.
I caught a ton of them in my catcher.
Let's see what they look like, Bobby.
Well, they'll do for now.
They'll do.
They look great. A whole bunch of perfect.
They look really good. I hope you enjoyed this video with all of the views of Glacier in its autumnal beauty. Please stay tuned for the next video, as I will be traveling from Montana down to Utah with some stops along the way, and there is some gorgeous autumn scenery as well. So thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.